Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today we are reacting to something very epic, very, what I say, prestigious, royalty, you see me? Alright, tell you who they on the track here. XXXTentacion, Vybz Kartel, Kimani Marley, that's our Bob Marley son, and Teflon Don, you see me? 4 top bars on this. We don't know the XXXTentacion of Jamaican roots, his mother Jamaican, so we don't know. So look like him sing that part before him dead, and we have the Vybz Kartel on it, world boss, you don't know. So I'm gonna jump in this and see what kind of epicness this will bring, you see me? So begin now. Oh, a visual, the visual. I like how this look color, with the color Jamaican flag and it a change color, I like it, you see me? Right, Kimani Marley after. I like the flow already. I like the rhythm. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Big up your.
Oh wait, Alkaline? Yo, existing. The man feel like Alkaline. The man feel like Alkaline, bro. Honest to God.
Big up your, like Karen and Fio. Use bad man for the bread when they
mortgage. Oh, man, yo, the man for the Alkaline, bro. But I tell you no lie. The man say use bad man for the bread when they mortgage, yo. Me never hear him sing that Jamaican yet, you know. Man, we sing like the American accent. This is the first I ever hear him singing a Jamaican accent. I'm so like Alkaline, bro. Yeah.
Big up your. Big up your, big up your. Y'all my Kingston.
Y'all my Kingston.
This one. Man, it's close to the shit change. Wanna use me for the money in the cars, you the big range. Yeah, it's funny how shit change. Or shorty when a young nigga draws that shit stain.
Oh boy, yo, that youth are full of talent, bro. That youth are very full of talent. Yo, that me like him. I like when the people can sing different accents. Or different way where you say, oh, you have to wonder, I him really sing a song? Come here, I think so Alkaline sing this, but I him. You see me? So, yo, Jamaican people full of talent, bro. Jamaican people full of talent, bro. Big man thing.
Risk ain't on in the court with a crib, biggest Chris Payne. Never can forget all the nights it was just paying off from the comfort of the throne. Don't forget, man.
Till I get lock off, iced out rings not come off. Clean from a bond till I get ship it truck off. We can't start, we are rise, we are take off.
Teflon Don off.
The girl I set trends, name just above upon the ends. Tick me and tuck on something till it bend when a friend.
Ooh? Yo, Teflon Don love tick pan thing till it bend, you know. Teflon, mind yourself, you know. Mind yourself. You tick pan too much thing till it bend.
But man, when I'm afraid of them, win me, I win till it end.
Them very short though. Good amount of me step back. I mean, Adi probably have the longest verse because I think say X should have a longer verse and Teflon Don, but them very short. And Kimani Marley look at him like the chorus part.
She's a diva, majesty, I listen as she so we royal. Triple X crew, so we loyal. Big body, fat pussy, broad gal, come here, back it up, gal, boss a wine. Bend up in a 10 and in a 9.
Oh, wow.
Gal, Caribbean wine.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say you're a real body blocker.
Yeah.
Yankee say you a bad motherfucker.
Ah. Yo. What the Yankee say you're a real motherfucker. Oh, man. The way you do that. Yo, I wouldn't sound like this, though. That's you know, but it's not like when I read that.
Work behind me, why like Irani, man, don't listen no Peter Pan. Versace style, Louis V pattern. We strike the street hard, no FIFA plan. Teach your fam, be a half a G your land. We can't forget though, no need no man. We life a sad axe, reader man. We balls at work, we are the breeder and handler.
One ball, one say, oh, balls at work with the breeder man. I don't know thing like how use up. You see me? Yo, I didn't play. Yo, Adi, very versatile, bro. Listen, I never say nothing more about Adi. Adi don't deserve no talking. We just play the tune. No more talking.
I grade and fly like pigeon. Real bad man, we not see have image.
Squeeze out liquid. You know what I mean? Bust juice in a girl. But 9 months later, I'll be able to produce. You see me? Yo, if I blur out all them bad words, I'm cuss up in the feet. I'm going to blur all of them bad words, I'm cuss.
You tell them we're wild and wicked.
Royalty. Boy, yo, a real royalty, yo, Queen of England, leave the throne to the royal family. Kimani Marley, X, Vibes Cartel, Teflon Dan, and them are come for the tune right now, you see me? You can polish it up before them come, because you don't know them are take it over, you see me? But anyway guys, at the end of the reaction video to Royalty, you see me? Not to lie, Extension really surprised me still, you see me? I know say he's a very talented youth, you see me? But to hear him sing the Patwa, I know say I have Jamaican background, but if you hear him sing that the Patwa, man sound like alkaline, bro. I know, and I'm me alone I say it, because if me think it's a fall, I say, like, but it's alkaline. Other people must say in their mind, whoever know the answer, you see me? But anyway guys, at the end of the reaction video, don't know the thing said, enough love and respect. Peace out.